Solana's ecosystem has exploded over the last few weeks. We've seen Solana meme coins dominate crypto Twitter, the whole entire market, as millionaires have been made basically overnight, sometimes even in a few hours. And recently, Solana surpassed Ethereum in one of the biggest, most important metrics, and that is in terms of 24-hour trading volume. Just on March 16th, we saw Solana's total trading volume hit $3.52 billion, while the same day, Ethereum was just at $1.1 billion. And currently, Solana is just up there, just behind Ethereum in terms of 24-hour volume. Right now, Solana's at 904 million versus Ethereum, which is at 1.47 billion. So recently, like I said, I've been investing in a lot of different Solana meme coins. Some have performed extremely well, making 20, 30, even 50x in some cases. And I just invested in a project the other day while it was in pre-sale. It's already launched on major, well-trusted exchanges, and it's called Drunk. The token symbol is DRUNK. It's already launched on MEXC. If you go ahead, you could see MEXC announced this just the other day, and trading officially started for Drunk token over on MEXC on March 23rd, 2024. So it's currently live just there. And this is a really big deal for a Solana project that had just gone through its pre-sale, hadn't been listed on any exchanges just yet, wasn't tradable just yet, to have its first listing on a major centralized exchange with MEXC. That gives me sort of confidence in the fact that we invested in it, and because of the fact that major exchanges trust it, they've listed it on their platforms, well, that makes me even more confident in this project long term. So Drunk was able to successfully raise hundreds of thousands of dollars in their pre-sale, and currently they're actually doing an extended pre-sale. So if you want to go ahead and buy Drunk tokens, you could go ahead and buy it on MEXC. You can see it's currently trading there now. You could do spot trading. It's trading at just at around 8.5 cents per token, right around 8.5 cents. But if you want to go ahead and still participate, they're doing this thing which is pretty unique. It's called an extended pre-sale. And if you go over to their Twitter page, you can see they talk all about this extended pre-sale right here. It says Drunk pre-sale information. And if you click on it, it's going to say, find info regarding the pre-sale below. For a limited period of time, you can get Drunk tokens at a discounted price, even while it's being traded on MEXC. So basically the way it works is you send your SOL for DRUNK tokens, the pre-sale here, this wallet here. It's the wallet that they've been using for their pre-sale, and this is part of the extended pre-sale. The cool thing about it is that if people participated in this extended pre-sale, well, the pre-sale price is 0.02 per Drunk token. That means that ultimately, at this time it was 5x, but right now it's right around 4.5x, just under 5x in terms of, where the pre-sale price was. But the thing is that with this pre-sale and the extended pre-sale, you still have until March 28th at 11 p.m. UTC to contribute and send SOL over to Drunk's SOL wallet. You can see that if you send Solana to their wallet, their pre-sale wallet, well, then you're going to be able to receive Drunk tokens at $0.02 per token, and that's going to start with token distribution on March 30th. So you can see it says first token distribution is going to be taking place on March 30th. Tokens from pre-sale are vested. For how long, it's totally up to you. If you don't sell your tokens that you get on March 30th, you'll get another tokens sooner than those who sell. So it says the more you hold and don't sell, the faster you get tokens. So it says more Diamond holders will also get bonus allocation on top of Silver holders, which are the top 10 contributors. And basically, they're saying, look, the reason that they're allowing for this is that pre-sale is the only possibility for developers to raise funds for marketing and centralized exchange listings. So to be capable of continuing to have these major listings, major announcements, developing the project moving forward, they need to be able to have more funds. And that's exactly why they're doing this extended pre-sale where, the longer you hold, well, the more tokens you get, like another token sooner than those who sell. So it says ultimately the more you hold and don't sell, the faster you're going to get your tokens. So that's something that is pretty unique, and that's why they're having this extended pre-sale. So ultimately, if you go ahead and take part in this, you can send SOL to their pre-sale wallet and get their Drunk tokens at 0.02 when it starts to vest on March 30th, even though it's right now available on major exchanges at right around that 8.5 cents per token. So it's almost a 4 to 4.5x just based off of this alone. If you take part in this extended pre-sale when your tokens start to become available on March 30th, well, you already have that instant 4 to 5x on your money. In addition to this, other things with going on with Drunk tokens is that they've talked about in the past their roadmap moving forward. And something that's really important with this roadmap is that you could see they talked about how they already have successfully launched on MEXC. And they talked about other major exchanges that hopefully they're going to be listing on very soon, like BingX, then Gate.io, then HTX, then Bybit, KuCoin, and Binance. So ultimately, long term, they have goals of listing on major centralized exchanges and continuing to grow the project, which they have already really successfully done. They've already been able to gain 12,000 followers over on Twitter, and this is something that is really unheard of for a brand new meme token, and it's exactly what you want to see if you're looking for a project that has the potential of being $50-100 million market cap in the future. You want to see that they're able to gain a nice community, a nice following over on Twitter. You want to see that they're able to have major listings on centralized exchanges, and this is everything that Drunk Token has done. So not only have they had all of these things, but also in terms of their logos, their graphics, their colors, they're really engaging. Their community has been really strong. They're constantly posting on Twitter, gaining a lot of support and a lot of traction from their community. And last thing is really in terms of just exposure, because in terms of Drunk Token, they've been able to do all of this without even having their CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap listings just yet. So they haven't been posted on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap just yet, and despite that, they've still had this major success. So it looks like they're going to have their token on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap soon, but either way, as a project continues to gain traction, as we start seeing more and more people get into it, those things are guaranteed to happen. But really what's more impressive is that they've been able to do all of this without being listed on the top platforms like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko. They've been able to gain all this exposure. They've been able to be the #1 gainer on MEXC. They've been able to do all of this with very little support from, let's say, CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko, and just being a brand new meme token. So I do own some of this token. I think it has, really big potential long term. Its all-time high is right around now 12 cents per token. Right after it launched. So keep an eye out on this project. This is something that I think has big potential. If you're a meme coin investor and you believe in Solana's blockchain, well, we've seen the fact that a lot of people have made significant amounts of money from meme coins, especially on Solana in this bull market. And I think Drunk has the potential to do that 150x from where it currently is at.